So in my 17 years of trading Forex, this is the easiest trading strategy that I've ever discovered. And I created a video like about this about 2-3 weeks ago. You know, this strategy that I just accidentally discovered it. I accidentally discovered it, and I'm going to be showing you today. If you are a scalper, you can use this strategy. If you're a swing trader, you can use this strategy. And if you're a position trader, you can use this strategy. If you're a day trader, you can use this strategy. It works with any time frame, but more reliable on higher time frame. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adekola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade the Forex market for a living, and I mentor others to success in Forex. Just recently, we launched our 30-minute traders, where traders of like mind, come together Monday to Friday and trade together for a common purpose, and the purpose is just profit. For now we are running it at for free for everybody. So if you want to join us, there should be a link below this video. Monday to Friday, 8:15 a.m. Central Time to 8:45, just 30 minutes. You are welcome to join us while we are still running it for free. Okay, so let's continue with this trading strategy. Sometimes last 6 months I was just playing, I like, my weekends, apart from preparing for Sunday service, preparing the word. What I do most of the time is back testing, either back testing my artificial intelligence or EA or any mechanical trading strategies. And I just suddenly discovered something, and I looked at it. I said, wow, this thing worked. And I tried it on different time frame, different currency pairs, indices, precious metals, regular forex pairs, and it works. And I said, wow. So today I'm going to be taking you to my chart, and again let's take a look at this strategy. You can take this as continuation of the previous video that I created about this. I call it the magic of touch, okay? 3 touching. But this time around, I'm going to show you something very, very different to what I showed you last time. And I believe this will blow your mind. This will blow your mind. Now, whenever you are trading, let's quickly take a look at this. Whenever you are trading, you want to follow this formula. I call it TEAS, okay? TEAS. You can call it this trading strategy. Now, you ask yourself this question, okay? So the first question you ask yourself is, okay, what is the trend? What is the trend? The Forex market does 3 things. It's either it's trending up, it's trending down, or it's ranging. So you ask yourself that question. What is the trend? Is this up or down, or is this market ranging? So if you could answer that question, then you are 50%, on your way to making profit. So the trend, if the trend is up, what are you looking forward to do? You are looking for an opportunity to buy. It's as simple as that. It doesn't matter which trading strategy you are using. It doesn't matter which algorithm, software, or whatever you are using. When the trend is up, you are looking forward to buy. If you are selling, you are trading against the trend. Okay, if the trend is down, what are you looking forward to do? You are looking for an opportunity to go short, to sell. Okay, if you are buying in a downward trend, you are trading against the trend. And by now you know that the trend is your friend. Now, if the market is ranging, okay, this is where you can decide to apply different trading strategy, or you can just stay off that particular pairs. Okay, if you happen to be using some Martin day strategy, they work best in a ranging market. Or maybe if you are very good with your support and resistance, it also works very good in a ranging market. So I'm not going to be focusing more on ranging market. I'm going to be discussing the uptrend or downtrend. So this strategy, you can call it trend continuation strategy. Trend continuation strategy. So you've discovered the trend. Is it up? Is it down? Then you missed the trend when the trend started. Then you want to be part of that trend. So this strategy will work for you. As I said, it doesn't matter which time frame, maybe 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, monthly, weekly, it doesn't matter. Just get the strategy and apply it. So the T is what? The trend. What is the trend? Then the E. The E is the entry. The entry. Okay, the trend is up. So where am I going to enter? You cannot just jump into the trade anywhere, anyhow. If you do that, what you are doing is gambling. So you ask yourself, the entry, where will be my entry? Then A, your A right here is the area of value. Okay, area of value. This area of value will determine your S, which will be your stop loss. You cannot control how much you make in any trade, but you can control how much you lose in a particular trade. So once again, the T's, okay, the TEAS, the T stands for the trend, the E stands for your entry, the A stands for the area of value, and the S stands for your stop loss. So once you are able to determine this, okay, then you are in profit. So let's go to the chart and look into some of this chart. You know, like in this right here, okay, take a look at this chart. This is Aussie CAD. So taking a look at this, what is the trend? Okay, I need you to comment. Okay, just write a comment below this video. Okay, if you want to comment, you write Aussie USD so that I will know that this is the one you are referring to. So Aussie CAD, sorry, Aussie CAD. Okay, based on what we are discussing right now, this is daily chart. Okay, so what is the trend? I need you to write it. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds. All right, that is downtrend. Okay, this is downtrend. So in our T's, you've taken care of T. Okay, that is the trend. The trend is downtrend. Now E, if you want to enter, so where will you be entering? You cannot be selling right now here. Okay, if you sell here, your area of value as far as this trend is concerned will be either this place or this place or this place or this area or this area. So that is too much for you. So now what do we do? Now let's go back to my magic of trade touch. The magic of trade touch. So what you do, you miss the trend. Okay, when the market starts, when the trend starts, you miss it. So all you do, you draw a trend line like this. Okay, draw a trend line like this. So now this is where the trend started. You missed this. This is the first touch. This is the second one. Let's assume you missed this. Now in this place, this is, you can take this as your third touch or here as the top touch. Now the first and the second, there must be a gap. So in this place, look at this. What does the market does? The market, you know, dropped. It came back again to that trend. What did the market do? Drop. The third one, what did the market do? Drop. So that is exactly what I'm talking about. So let's assume that you don't know what is going to happen. Immediately you see the first 2 points, join the first two, then extend that trend line. So by the time the market comes back to touch the third line, that's the third point, then if it is in downtrend, you can step down to the lower time frame and place your order there, or you can even use it. So let's say, for instance, by the time it touched this place right now, I enter myself and I will take, you know, maybe like, depends on the time frame you are using, 30 to 40 pips above the area of value, because this place right now, this is my area of value. So my stop loss will be above that area of value, and then you can use the next resistance level or whatever. I mean, there are different ways by which you can take your profit. You can do risk to reward ratio 1 to 2 up. So if you are risking 30 pips, you pursue 60 pips. If you are risking 100 pips, you pursue 200 pips. So in this case, let's take a look. How many pips are we looking at? Let's assume you jump into this trade here and you follow it to where you see Phoenix. This is 367 pips. This is 367 pips. So that right there, I mean, in my 17 years of trading, I've been using trend line, but I never ever looked at it in this way. Okay, now let's take a look at the signal that I'm seeing dropping as times as this week. Okay, this week, let's take a look at this. Now let's remove this. I'm going to be removing this. So take a look at this. Now, based on what I've said, what is the trend? The trend right here is down. So let's take, okay, we start this downward trend from here. So this is one touch. This is the second touch. The market come back, drop, come back, drop. So this is the third touch. So what are we expecting? We are expecting to go down again. So that is exactly, you see, so like this now, like this market now, I'm going to be selling USD CHF. By the time you sell, you place your stop loss above right there. Let's say you place your stop loss above there, and my take profit, I might be, you know, looking into this place as my take profit. So if we measure that, how many pips are we looking at? We're looking at from there to there, we're looking into around 250 pips. 250 pips. Now, if you say, okay, this one doesn't work, let's say, okay, you pick this, pick the trend from here, just draw it down, okay, right there. You can pick the trend from this Phoenix up there, okay, and here, right there, boom. So if this is the first touch, this is considered the second touch. After the second touch, what do we expect also is we expect it to come down. So it's still the same thing. Now I'm dealing with higher time frame. You can do this with lower time frame. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is a Euro GBP, the same thing. You draw it and the same thing. Now let's go to indices. I'm going to do this for indices, then we'll be rounding off. By the way, if you are enjoying this, I want to say thank you guys for, you know, viewing my videos. You know, I mean, recently we just have just clocked 200,000 views. 200,000 views right on this channel. Even though I'm not a big YouTuber, but the little I do, you guys still appreciate it, and you see, you watch my video. So thank you so much. And in case you are watching this video and you've not subscribed, please do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, like this video, leave your comment below this video. It's going to help for our YouTube algorithm, for many people to see this video. And of course, next time we drop any videos, you'll probably be one of the, you know, viewers that will be notified. So make sure you click that bell button also right there. Okay, so let's continue with this. Let's go to Nasdaq. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq. Take a look at this. This is Nasdaq. So you see, this is one, this is two. What happened after the second? Boom. Okay, so this is one, this is two. What are we expecting now? We're expecting to go back up. So I mean, it depends on when you're watching this video. I expect Nasdaq to come back up to form the third touch right here, and boom, you know, we're going to go back down. And if it breaks out upward, I wait for retest. But you can apply this to any time frame. As I said, any time frame. Let's go to small time frame. Let's go to small time frame, and I'll show you something right here. Let me go to 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. Let's see. Now on 5 minutes, what do? I'm going to draw my trend like this. 1, 2. Okay, boom. So this is my first touch. This is my second touch. I'll be waiting for the market to come. Remember, you have to wait. Somebody is under the sound of my voice. Very soon the Lord is going to reveal to you why He's making you to wait. So it's good to wait. So you have to wait. Forex trading is all about waiting. You wait for good market setup. You wait for that trade to also go to maturity. So now you wait. This is the first touch, second touch, let it come to you, third touch, boom, you enter buy and your stop loss comes below there, and right there you are in money. I mean, that is on 5 minutes. What if it's a 15 minutes? The same thing I'm showing you NASDAQ. This is 1, 2, you see, wait for the third one. Now let's take a look at so many other. This is a Euro AUD, as you can see. This is the 1, 2, wait for the third one. This higher time frame on daily, wait for it. The moment it comes to you, you know, fire the trigger and you buy. Take a look at the Euro JPY. This is this is 1, 2, wait for the third one, irrespective of when it comes. Immediately it comes to you, you pull the trigger. So you can do this. I mean, you can do this on any time frame, smaller time frame, lower time frame, and so on and so forth. I hope this makes sense to you. Please leave your comment below. Let me see. Let me know if this really made sense to you. And thank you so much for your time, for watching this video. Once again, if you have not subscribed, smash on that subscribe button. And I will look forward to talk to you later. And I hope I will see you in my next video. God bless you and do enjoy the rest of your day.